Dear students, today I have to start a new topic related with your grammar section like gap filling or filling blanks with suitable words. Regarding such questions, there will be a passage having 6 blanks will be supplied. The options will be provided below the passage. You have to choose the best words from the options to complete the passage. The words given in the options may be verbs, connectors, determiners, pronouns, prepositions, modals, etc. Students have to choose the word that best fits the sense of the sentence. So, first of all, we will have to discuss regarding the first example like it's the passage related with the newspaper and it's the special case related with Bhopal. The city police have arrested a Pakistani national who is suspected a dash be an ISI agent. He had been living B dash the city under fake identity for the last 7 months and C dash arrested under the official secrets act D dash Gandhinagar. Documents recovered from E dash possessions suggest that he was involved in anti-national activities. F dash was collecting documents and photographs of places of strategic importance. Now, my dear students, for your support, I would like my best to provide you options for your support and options related with blank A. First one like at, second in, third to, and fourth for. Now the options related with B blank. First one like by, second at, third in, and fourth near. Now options related with C blank. First will be B, second was, third been, and fourth being. Now the options related with D blank here. First one like for, second to, third from, and fourth at. Now the options related with E blank. First will be the, second his, third him, and fourth her. And now at last options related with F blank. First will be and, second but, third or, and fourth when. My dear students, just before going to sort out these all the problems correctly, try your best to read the passage once or 2 times. Just after then, you can realize the theme related with that very passage. And As for its solution, I am just going to provide its best answer for your support. And the first missing of word here, like the city police have arrested a Pakistani national who is suspected to. It means here in first blank, like blank A, you have to choose preposition to. Now, the city police have arrested a Pakistani national who is suspected to be an ISI agent. He had been living in. It means for blank B, in will be the exact word here. Now, he had been living in the city under fake identity for the last 7 months. And now here for C blank, like was. It means he had been living in the city under fake identity for the last 7 months and was. It means he was arrested under the official secret acts from Gandhinagar. Just after that, documents recovered from. Now for E here, like his possessions suggest that he was involved in anti-national activities, and for here F was collecting documents and photographs of places of strategic importance. Now, my dear students, on the basis of first examples related with your gap filling, I am sure that every one of you will be in position to solve such types of problems for your exam. So next day I shall try my best to select the next problem for your same topic, like gap filling. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you again.